Now, state lawmakers have been working to send Governor Gavin Newsom a number of new bills for his consideration. News Channel 3's Marion Bichot is live in studio with a breakdown of some of that legislation. Marion.
Morning, Jeff. There are more than a dozen bills Governor Newsom will be considering. One of them is a nation-leading measure. It would give more than 500,000 fast food workers more power and protections. State lawmakers approved that bill on Monday. Some restaurant owners argue it would drive up consumers' costs, and the bill will create a new 10-member fast food council. It would have the same number of workers' delegates and employers' representatives, along with 2 state officials. The council would have the power to set minimum standards for wages, hours, and working conditions in the state. And just yesterday, the state assembly passed 2 new social media protections for minors. The first is the California Age-Appropriate Design Code Act. It stops tech companies from using personal information of any minors in a way that hurts their physical or mental health. Web platforms that children are likely to use would need to have a data privacy measures, such as describing privacy policies in a language that kids can understand and making user settings high privacy by default. The second bill requires social media companies to be more transparent about how information is pushed out on their platforms. It was made in an effort to fight the spread of hate, racism, and conspiracy theories online. All of those measures will now go to Governor Gavin Newsom's desk for his consideration. And coming up in the next half hour, I break down bills that address COVID misinformation and the massive learning gap the pandemic left behind. I have in studio Marion Bichot, News Channel 3.
Okay, a lot of big issues, and of course, stay with News Channel 3 as we continue to cover them.